Hey, what's up guys? Hey, bom tarde galera. This is Julio Star here with Shoebox Therapy. Tonight, we have two boxes for you to unbox. Two running shoes. And I wanted to put them up to the test. One Nike, one New Balance. Let's see how they do, how they test out. They're similar, but not similar. And they're probably not the most well-known brands, but yeah, here we go. We got, boom, we have the Nike Downshift 9s. Let me see. Boom. And then we also have, the running course MDRN BK1 by New Balance. Boom. Alright. So, let's check them both out. Let's try them out and see how they hold up and they test up. We'll first start off with Nike. Give them a quick feel, comfort. See how they fit, how they feel. And they feel like on the foot. Let's take a little jog. Let's find out what's going on here. Ooh, okay. Alright, slide in nice. I like to tighten my laces up kind of tight just so I got that good grab in the foot. But I can already tell you that, of course, they feel a little long. And I did do track in high school, and I did the 100, 4x100, 4x400, the long jump, triple jump. I did the high jump, and I did pretty well on them on all the events. But so I'm not unfamiliar with running shoes and track shoes and so on and so forth. But let's try these ones out right here. Good fit, slides right on, really nice. And let's see, lace these up too. Okay. Now I like how they have the toe grip right in there, and then definitely the tread's kind of good. These seem a little bit more, a little bit more concrete running. This is definitely more of a. I wouldn't say I would take these right on the track field. I don't know. Let's compare the New Balances. Definitely liking the feel of these ones, and let's see how the New Balance would fit in comparison right there. Alright, 1 second here. Let's take these off. Alright. There's that. Okay, alright. Alright. Let's give these a shot here. Alright. Boom. Oop. Take that out. Alright. 1 second here. Grab these babies right here. So there. Alright. I can already tell right off the bat that these are lighter. A lot lighter. They feel. I feel like I can probably go the distance with these ones a lot better than the other ones. But these ones definitely don't slide in as nicely as the Nikes here. And one thing about New Balance I've never been a true fan about is the back heel right there. It tends to push against my Achilles right there, and eventually, it takes a little bit of wear. And wearing these New Balance shoes, on all New Balance shoes it seems like, to kind of get that a little bit discomfort off, but we'll give them a shot. Let's try these out. Definitely like they really don't feel like they're on my feet. I mean, they're that light. They're pretty nice. I like that. And I've always been a fan of super light shoes. especially for speed. I'm always trying to be a speedy guy. So there's that. Tighten these babies up. Nice. I like how my socks color match the shoe color really nice. Alright, let's give them a quick jump and feel. Whew. Definitely like them. I like them a lot. They feel very comfortable. They would actually be really good walking shoes as well too. I would go walking with these. I definitely would take these in for a good run. Once again, I'd always be scared about this back heel right here where the Achilles meets. Right there. I mean, you could even see how it flexes when I turn my foot. So I know that that back little part right here definitely would rub against there after a mile or so of running. But nevertheless, I mean, these Nikes, they slide on really nice. I could definitely see myself running on, you know, the street with these, a long distance, a long ways. I could see myself using these on an everyday basis, and so yeah, I like the Nikes for that reason. These New Balances, if I'm going into a cross-training competition or something like that, I think I would use these most definitely, just because I like how light they are, and I'd be able to fly right off and go, and I think that would be, I think these would be the shoes to use for sure. But in comparison, I mean, I'm gonna go with the Nikes. I definitely like how all around they're just they slide on comfortably. I know I'm not gonna have some back heel issue, and I know I can take them virtually anywhere on the run. I have a feeling that these New Balances, they would get tore up pretty easily if I, you know, and I could be wrong. I mean, I could be wrong. These might actually last a long time when I'm running, but just feel and durability, the Nikes feel like they would win overall. But I like the color design on the New Balances. I like how they keep it very simple. Man, I could already feel that the New Balances are a bit touchy on some of the foot area right there. But anyways, those are my two reviews on these shoes right here. Once again, we have the New Balances, the MD, R, and BK1, and then we also have the Nikes, which are the Downshifter 9s, and I want to go with the Downshifter 9s as a win for today. But anyways, let me know in the comments what you think, and have you tried these shoes out before? Do you have any recommendations for other running shoes that are out there? Price points, you know, these range somewhere in between 70 to, actually I think they're both around $70 for these shoes. So pretty good price point on those ones right there. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time on the next Shoebox Therapy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the like button. I got more shoes to come and show you. I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and have a good night. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.